Friends, hello everyone. Today, the first more or less worthwhile expert advisor from the MQL5 site is called Perfect Score, developed by SERGEI RIEBIN. Very mixed feelings are caused by this bot, the developer, user reviews, and test results. In short, everything is ambiguous. Let's figure it out. Let's go. The price tag for this bot started with an amount of $199. The price is $1,299, and there are only 2 copies left for this money. The next price tag will be $1,500. The number of copies sold over the past month is over 150. Even at such a cheap price, this advisor is sold out like hotcakes. And there are reasons for this. These are fantastic results in the strategy tester over a 20-year period, and live signals from the author's actual accounts, add optimism and confidence to the profitability of this strategy. Let's see the description. This robot enters the market at the opening of the London Stock Exchange, LSE. It is based on short-term reversal patterns that use the tendency of currency pairs to move towards their average value during the LSE session. The EA does not use indicators, grid, martingale, or arbitrage. The trading system is suitable for both experienced traders and beginners. The EA is protected from high spreads and allows you to trade with a fixed or automatic lot size. This is followed by monitoring of an actual account, which you can subscribe to. This pleasure costs $40 per month. At the moment, about 600 traders copy this signal of the author in the aggregate of deposits of about $1.3 million. From March to today, the bot has earned almost 700%. Please note, this is for some 7 months, and there was not a single unprofitable transaction. The yield curve looks very nice and suspicious, at least for me at first glance. But I figured it out, and I can say with confidence that the advisor is working. Among the many positive reviews from subscribers of live signals, there are negative ones, but they are mainly aimed at the trading strategy, rather than at the result. And those who complain about the result, blame yourself. Trading small deposit, they stupidly can't cover a month's rent to get an advantage, because the EA can open one position and keep her very long as stop loss is used in trade equals 2000 pips. Here is a chart of holding positions. Most of the deals are closed in the period up to 10 days, but there are deals that are kept open as much as 45 days. Now let's move on to the most interesting part, testing. Here I have questions to the developer based on the results. Loading the expert advisor. Default trading parameters, Euros United States dollars currency pair, 5-minute time frame, spread set to 12 pips. We must use the tick date, quotes from Dukascopy, enable the parameters of slip page, commission and swap, simulating real trading. Let's take the testing period from 2004 to 2020. We run it and get the following results. Divinely. Now let's go through the quotes of different brokers. Let's start with Truex. We will test it in 3 terminals. We will definitely remove slip page during execution, so that the trades coincide when opening, and nothing prevents the expert advisor from opening them. We start from the beginning of 2010. These are the results we got with exactly the same quotes and settings. We will do the same only with quotes from Dukascopy. Here are the results. Now quotes from hisdata.com. And the last test on Alperiperton quotes since the beginning of 2016. The question arises why the advisor often gives different results with the same quotes and settings. This is a mystery. If you could see the open source code of the advisor, everything would immediately become clear, but unfortunately, we do not have such an opportunity. Maybe the developer himself will give a detailed answer about this if he sees this video. That would be nice. The strategy is excellent and working, but the trouble is that it only works on one currency pair: euros United States dollars. I made an optimization on the United States dollars Swiss francs pair and unfortunately did not get any normal traffic. Now let's compare how much the author's live signals match the results in the strategy tester. The results of trading on an actual account match the results in the strategy tester, so there is no history change here. What confuses me about this bot? 1. The expert advisor shows different results in the tester for different brokers with the same settings and quotes. This is bad, but if you look at the overall results is not critical, it trades in a good plus. 2. Lack of multi-currency. I will try to get good results on other currency pairs, but I think this is unlikely to work. If the advisor traded as well on other tools, the author or users who bought this bot would have laid out working sets long ago. This is another negative. There are gigantic risks that the strategy will soon stop working, and you will not have time to recapture the amount you paid for this product if you buy it today. 3. Stop loss is 10 times more than take profit, which is also terrible. But since these parameters are part of the strategy, and this strategy works as a plus even with such a huge stop loss, you only need to control the risks. And if you bought an expert advisor, take a percentage of the deposit, that will withstand at least 4 stop losses in a row. This is purely my opinion. Many people complain about this in the comments to the signals, but the robot continues to earn and has never failed, so this claim is not justified. This developer has several other bots that also show excellent results, both in the tester and in real trading. You can view his profile and choose something for yourself. Well, actually the results, perfect score is an advisor that really deserves our attention. This is an indicator strategy created by developer SERGEI that shows excellent results both in the strategy tester and on his actual account. SERGEI is actively trying to reduce the number of users of this strategy by increasing the price of the advisor. If their number is growing as rapidly, then soon the strategy will most likely cease to be relevant. But so far the printing press called perfect score works great, and many earn well. This week I will subscribe to the signals of this expert advisor, and with our programmers we will try to reveal the essence of the strategy of this bot. I will keep you informed. I will also leave the investor's username and password and social networks, so you can also watch or copy the transactions of this bot. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Put like. You were Artem Robot Maker. Bye.